Okay, for today's lesson, we're going to be on nearpod.com. So I'm going to go ahead and show you a preview of what it would look like. So I'm going to click preview on this lesson. So today we are going to be talking about parts of speech. So here is any materials or preparation that we need for this lesson. And then here's the essential question. What are the parts of speech? So in today's lesson, we're going to go ahead and engage and explore for about 10 minutes. Then we're going to explain and elaborate for 20 minutes. And then at the end, we're going to evaluate for 10 minutes. So we're going to start off with engaging and exploring, okay? We're going to be engaging by assessing our prior knowledge and exploring the parts of speech. So to start off, there was a poll here. Go back to it. It wants you to go ahead and answer this question. Can you think of an example of a noun? So you're going to share your thoughts in the box down below. On the next slide, we're going to be taking a trip to a park near the ocean. You're going to look around the park and tell me, what do you see? Okay, so we have our park here. If we grab the screen, we can move it around. So you're looking at the different things you can see at the park. Okay, we're going to go ahead and go on to the next slide. Okay, you're going to go ahead and think about all the things you saw at the park. I want you to go ahead and draw and label 3 different things that you saw right here. So go ahead and do that. Now we're going to go ahead and explain and elaborate. We're going to explain noun, verbs, adjectives, pronouns. And we're going to talk about how each part of speech is used in a sentence. So for parts of speech, you can use many words when you speak, read, and write. Each word has a meaning and purpose. On our following slideshow, you are going to learn about nouns, pronouns, and adjectives. Okay, nouns and pronouns. A noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. We use nouns to name the things around us. A pronoun is a word used to replace a noun. The words I, you, he, she, it, and they are pronouns. Then we're going to go on to slide 2, and here you're going to read more about what the nouns are. I want you to go ahead and read what the nouns are. We have a singular noun, plural noun, common noun, and a proper noun. Now we're going to move on to adjectives. An adjective is a word that modifies, changes, or adds to a noun or pronoun. They can be used in a lot of different ways. They're used to describe things, to tell us how many we have of something, to explain which thing is being referred to, or to compare multiple things. And here is another slide on adjectives, giving us 2 different examples of a comparative and superlative noun. All right, you're going to go ahead and complete each activity below. You're going to look at the picture and complete each sentence by choosing the correct, proper, or common noun. Here is your word list to choose from. Okay, parts of speech, nouns, pronouns, and adjectives can help you describe and explain the world around you. Other words help you tell what is happening in the world. The next slideshow is going to talk about verbs and adverbs. So a verb is an action word. We often will use a verb to describe actions, a state of being, or something that happens. An adverb is a word that describes a verb, adjective, or another adverb. Adverbs answer the question, how much, when, where, and how often. Okay, you're going to complete each activity here below. And I want you to go ahead and read the directions to complete this activity. And then we're going to evaluate to end it. So you're going to have a quick quiz where you will answer 5 questions. Thanks for joining my lesson today.